Are you looking for ways to save money now that you bought yourself a brand new MacBook? Well, I'll tell you what, instead of selling your soul to the devil, head on over to Softwarekeep, where they've got great deals on great products, just like Office 2016 Home and Business. Now follow along and I'll show you how it's done. So as always, we're gonna head on over to our friends at Softwarekeep, where you'll see that no matter what time of year it is, there's always a great deal in the market. So we're gonna select the Office for Mac tab, and we're gonna sort by year this time. 2016 is the year that we're looking for, so once we select that, you'll see that it narrows down the options quite a bit. The very second one there is what we're looking for. So once we click Learn More, it shows you a little bit of details. We can click Add to Cart, and then View Cart, as we're not gonna be doing any more shopping today. Now once you click Proceed to the Checkout, it brings you to the page where you can enter in all of your personal information, and you can choose to pay using either your PayPal account or your credit card, and make sure to scroll down to the very bottom where you can enter in one of those promo codes, as they are active 365 days a year. So the guys over at Softwarekeep are going to send you an email that looks identical to this one. It outlines a really easy to follow 11-step process, but hey, if you want to have a little bit more fun, you can follow along this video with me. Now at the top of this email is a link. Go ahead and click that link and it will redirect you to the first 3 steps. The first step being signing into your Microsoft account. Now go ahead and do that, or create an account if you don't have one already. And after you're done doing that, the next step is entering in that product key. Now at the top of the email provided, in bright red lettering, so you really can't miss it, is the product key that you need. Copy that and paste it into the field provided in step 2. Once it's done activating, and it does take a few seconds to activate, select which country you live in and which language you speak. And after this, you get to choose whether or not you would like to receive promotions from Microsoft. Now we're not going to do this time, so we're just going to go ahead and click Next again. And after this, it brings you to the Microsoft web page. Now go ahead and make sure that your account is signed in, as this is where your product activation code is registered to. After you've done that, go ahead and click Install, and then install one more time, and you'll see in the bottom left downloads bar, a pretty big download starting. Now once that's done, go ahead and open that up, and it will begin the installation process. From here, give the license agreement a really good read, as we always do, and click Agree. Now after this, your Mac is probably going to ask you to enter in your password as you are installing new software, so go ahead and do that, and from here, we wait. So once the Office suite is finished installing, log into your Microsoft account one last time. And as long as it's the same account you used before, everything's going to be good to go. Now it's going to open up an app at random, it seems, but to find the rest of them, simply access your apps and scroll to the last page, where all the brand new ones are going to be right there waiting for you. Well, look at that. Softwarekeep saved you from financial ruin by getting you a great deal on Office 2016 Home and Business. And hey, if you want to continue to balance your budget appropriately, check out the description below, where there's great additional deals to take advantage of from our friends over at Softwarekeep. See you next time.